Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Bitcoin in a Minute, day 16. As mentioned yesterday, we are still stuck inside this range and we're expecting a couple of days more inside it, because if you compare this period to now, we are just halfway through. So we'll be trading the range until eventually we see a break below it or above it. Meanwhile, since we are approaching the lower band of the range, we'll be looking for buy setups from a short-term perspective, of course. So we'll be zooming into lower time frames and wait for the bulls to take over. Meanwhile, until the buyers take over, if we see an aggressive daily candle close below it, then the bears will take over for an overextended impulse movement downward. If you zoom into M30 time frame, we can see that previously or yesterday the bears took over by breaking below this area here, and we are still waiting for the bulls to take over as we had a correction till the previous neckline here. So we are still bearish and we are waiting for the bulls to take over by forming a new swing high and then a break above it. Meanwhile, we would be bearish and we can still trade lower like this before we eventually break above the previous high and the trend line. Of course,